Hi there! Are you looking for a cool job at L'Oreal? Great, then this video is for you. I'm Lisa from the Global Talent Acquisition team at L'Oreal, and I'm going to help you understand what to do to apply for a job. It only takes 5 minutes to guide you through the application. So, let's go! First, you don't need to look everywhere. All our available positions are on careers.l'oreal.com. If you meet a L'Oreal recruiter or a L'Oreal employee, they will redirect you there. It's where all the magic happens. Once you're there, take a look at our different functions, expertise, and locations. You'll see that life at L'Oreal shines. And there's a lot to learn. Like, did you know we have an innovation competition? Okay, so now you're ready to apply. You can customize your settings to showcase the most relevant job offers. Type any word and you will find the best matches. And you can use filters for more accurate results. Country, function, or even brands. Easy, right? Click on the offer that fits and, oh, here's a tip. Be sure to read the full job description before applying for it. You want to make sure that your abilities and your experience match the position. Makes sense, right? Then, when you're ready, click Apply Now. Or you can share the job listing with a friend. Okay, for those beginners out there, here are a few pro tips. You can apply to only 3 jobs within a 30-day rolling window. Once you've applied, you can't withdraw your application. So again, make sure to choose the job that really matches your dreams. You can see all the jobs you've already applied for in your candidate space. And lastly, don't create another account with a different email. If you do, your account might be merged and your application record will be completely deleted. Sorry, guys. Follow the steps. It's not super long. If you don't have a L'Oreal Careers account already, start with your LinkedIn profile. Or you can upload your resume from your laptop. Easy. Then you fill in the blanks and check that your information is accurate. If there's a mistake, just correct it. You might have additional questions, depending on the position. We want to make sure you are completely comfortable before submitting your application and sharing your personal data. After applying, you'll receive a confirmation email. Depending on the position, you might receive an email inviting you to a digital interview. To learn more, check out our other videos for pro tips on how to create your resume and ace the digital interview. Don't worry, you've got this. Et voila! Once you submit your answers, if you're a suitable candidate, you will hear from HR for a one-on-one interview. Fingers crossed! While waiting to hear back, you can access your candidate space by logging into that same careers website so you can manage all of your different applications. So that's it, guys. You're ready to nail your application. Haven't found the dream job to apply for yet? No worries. You can create your candidate space to get all of the latest opportunities. Then, check out our other videos to make the most of your applications. You'll even get to know us a little bit better too. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and tell us what you think of our videos in the comments. Thanks, and see you soon!